find the solution. As I already told you, there are so many methods. So question in the examination, exactly there will be no mention, right? No mention for the particular name of the method. Okay, you can go by yourself only. So which the question which I am going to tell you here, you can go with that question with the help of linear also, and even you can go for that question with the help of exact also, right? So let me write down the question what we have exactly. The solution of the differential equation. Find the solution of the differential equation. Find the solution of the differential equation. dy by dx plus 2xy minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, although no one can think that it is a equation, it is a form of exact, but I will show you how to go with the exact. So it is x square dy by dx, sorry, it is x square into dy by dx plus 2xy, x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus x plus 1 is equals to 0, given that at x is equals to 1, given that at x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0 is what? And we do have options also. For this question we do have options also. Let me write down the options, guys. 1 by 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 by 2x square. Okay. The second is 1 by 2 minus 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square. Okay. The third option is we are having 1 by 2 plus 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square. Okay. It's minus, not, it is plus. Okay. And the last option is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x plus 1 by 2x square only, right? Okay, yes. So let's approach it, guys, how we can go with this question with the help of exact equation. Let's have approach with the question. So first of all, we have to write down this question in a different manner, because right now it is not exact. Okay. So let me show you. We can say x square. We have x square dy. Yes. We have 2xy minus x plus 1 dx. Yes, it is equals to 0. So more and more you can write down it is as 2xy minus x plus 1 into dx plus x square dy is equals to 0. When you write down this equation in this form particular, dear students, this question has been asked in the GATE 2006. Okay, this is the GATE 2006 problem, dear students. Okay, so now let's approach it. Now here we can compare this as m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. We are having, you can see your m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. Okay, let's check whether it is exact or not. If it is exact, then only we can go for the finding the general solution with the help of exact. Yes, exactly. So let me write down here m is equals to 2xy minus x plus 1 and n is equals to x square. We know very well for the m we have to do the partial differentiation with respect to y. So it will be 2x. Yes. For the n we have to do partial differentiation with respect to x. It will be 2x. Yes. So you can see, hence it is exact, my dear students. Is it clear? So we are getting it as a exact. You can go for the same question. Okay, you can go for the same question as a linear also. If you want, you can convert this equation in the form of linear also. You can take there also and these terms in the right side, and when you divide with the x square, you will get here 2y by x. That will be your p only. Okay, I will tell you that approach only, but I will not complete solve the question. I will give you the approach and hint also. Okay, now so it is, hence it is exact, we can write down, hence it's exact. Okay, so when it's exact, we have to find the solution. Okay, so let's go for the solution. It will be m dx, so 2xy minus x plus 1 dx plus n dy. As we know very well, n we are having 0, n we are having x square, so that's why it will be 0 only. Okay, so let's integrate this one only with respect to, let's integrate this one only with respect to x only, right? So when we will approach, it will be 2xy minus x plus 1, my dear students, into dx is equals to c. When you will integrate, it will be with respect to x, it will be 2x square by 2 into y minus x square by 2 plus x. 2 and 2 will be cancel out. Here you will have c. So you can say it is x square y minus x square by 2 plus x is equals to c, right? We have initial condition also to finding the constant, so we can go for the constant also. It is x square y minus x square by 2 plus x is equals to c. We have initial condition as x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0. At x is equals to 1, y should be 0. So let's put here condition x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. It is 0 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equals to c. Hence it will be 1 by 2 only, guys. Yes, exactly. So the value of c is equals to 1 by 2. You can put the value c in that equation. So when you will put here, it will become x square y minus x square by 2 plus x is equals to 1 by 2. Now we can check how we have options. Yes, exactly, we have options in the form of y only. You can see this is equals to y, this is equals to y, this is equals to y, and this is equals to y. Okay, so we can convert it in the form of y only. It will be x square y is equals to 1 by 2 plus x square by 2 minus x. It's x square again we are having. So more and more we can write, my dear students, y is equals to 1 by 2x square plus it's already have x square by 2x square minus x by x square. X square will be cancelled out. You will write down 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by x. So this will be your final answer. According to me, this will be your final answer. This is 1 by 2 only, guys. Okay, let's see which option is satisfying. We are having 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by x. 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by x. 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by x. We can see this in the option number A for Ahmedabad. So you can see this is the final answer for you, dear students. This will be in the option number A only, right? So we can easily approach this question with the help of exact equation also. So exactly what I was talking about, the same thing happened in the GATE examination also, that in each and every question the name of the method will not mention. You have to identify, even you have right. Okay, some questions are there which you can approach with the help of multiple methods. Just like in the previous just few questions ago, we discussed the question which we already discussed in the homogeneous. So that homogeneous question you can go with the exact also. Similarly here also we discussed a question. This question right now we have in front of us. This question is, you can approach this question, you can approach with the help of exact also, and you can go for the same question with the linear differential equation also. Let me tell you about linear, how you can go with the linear. I will give you hint only. So how you can go, let me delete the options, so there is no need of option now. Okay, you can go how you will go with the linear. So it will be dy by dx plus 2xy divided by x square, and it will be x minus 1 divided by x square only, right? So when you approach, you will have dy by dx plus 2y by x, or 2 by x into y, 2 by x into y, and you will have x minus 1 by x square. This will be your p. We know very well in the linear differential equation, the equation is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q, my dear students. Yes, exactly. So here you will have p is equals to what, 2 by x. Yes, here you have q is equals to what, x minus 1 by x square. You can easily approach the solution. If you want, you can find exactly the second method of this question, which we can go for the linear differential equation also, right? So you can go with the linear differential equation also. Let me show you. Okay, then you can calculate the things. Earlier I told you this question with the help of exact also. So we discussed with the help of exact also, exact differential equation. The first method with the exact differential equation, and the second method with the linear differential equation. So you can find here integrating factor. It will be e to the power 2 by x dx. Yes. When you approach it, it will be 2 into log x, my dear students. Yes. So it will be x square only. So hence you will get integrating factor as x square only. Now if you want to find out the solution with the linear, you can see the general solution will be y into integrating factor is equals to q into integrating factor dx plus c only. Yes, exactly. So when we have y is as it is, integrating factor is x square only. We can go q is x minus 1 by x square only. So hence x square and x square will be cancel out. It will be dx plus c. X square y is equals to x square by 2 minus x plus c, guys. Yes, exactly, we can see x square y is equals to x square by 2 minus x. So here again you can find the value of constant, which will again you will get 1 by 2 only. Okay, you have the same process. We can find the constant and we can approach, then only we will get the same answer. So the answer was y is equals to, the answer was what, dear students? Let me write down the answer. Y is equals to 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by x square. This will be your final answer. So yes, exactly, minus 1 by x. Is it 1 by x or 1 by x square? Okay, now it will be 1 by x only. So it will be 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by x. Okay guys, yeah. So we are having the same answer here. We were having the same answer. Yes, exactly, this is the same answer. So you can see the same question you can approach with the help of linear also, with the help of exact also, guys. Okay, so it's exactly, you are free to approach any method. Even you can do one thing, you can go for each and every method, and some questions are there which you can apply with another method also. So you can check one question from the multiple method also, that is it applicable or not. Okay.